Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Walmart bag. Let's see what I got. Empty machines, empi 1952 Volkswagen Beetle deluxe model. 40 plus discs from empty machines. Here's bag. First in speed equipment Ford Volkswagen. Let's open it up. And because the box is big, we have to open from here. It has an empty machine logo. And we don't know how to open these. Why we don't know how I open once per week? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. It's not working all that well because this doesn't get that much. Oh, sorry about the camera fell. Sorry about the camera fell again. Now let's get the last one. I never thought we got the car at Walmart if we didn't know we used to have one like that. It's so simple to unbox the car if I never talk about what we do when we used to get one of those like that. There we go. Sorry about the camera fell. It's stuck. Why the empty machine? I used to have a lot of things around it. Well, I don't know. It seems pretty awful to have all around of those. That sounds weird. Oh, sorry about the camera fell again. I didn't saw that well if I got one of those when I get weirder, and I didn't know we used to get one. Oh. It still have one of those on the bottom if I don't know why it is one of the. Oh, it still has one of those on the bottom if I don't know why it is. Why we can't get so far if we get those screws out. I'm going to use this. That's what I'm about to do if I got one of those, if I need to do once a week. Oh, sorry about the camera fell again. How many times did I have to tell you I got the camera fell when I get so many views for that and I didn't know you get any views for this? Well, I can't do it, I swear. That's so embarrassing when I never told me that. That's kind of funny. So we only got 2 more left. If I only get that 2 screws out, I can finally get that Volkswagen Beetle out. Yay! We can get that one we can get that one out if I got that one out if I got that. Interesting. Oh, sorry about the camera fell. This one should be easy enough. I
got this one. If you could get it, if you could get any easy enough, we could get one of those out. If I got that one, if I get it wrong, if we get it enough, if it. Oh, let's do the part 2.